Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about Base44 affiliate marketing program. Is it worth it in 2025 and 2026? Now, in case you don't know, Base44 is app that lets you build fully functional apps in minutes. So you don't need to code to create websites and applications. Now let's check out the affiliate program to see if it's worth it. So first, to find the affiliate program, scroll down like this, and here you see this affiliate program. Now click here and you see the page. Reasons to join our program: earn while empowering more creators to turn their ideas into reality. So let's see, get a $100 commission. This is awesome. So high performing affiliates have the opportunity to earn even more. This is absolutely amazing. $100 commission is mind-blowing. So unlimited referrals with fast payouts, get a personal dashboard to track how you help us grow over time, and unlocked expert support. You have people that will help you. Sign up, join the program, share, track, and earn. Alright, so how to join the program? From here, click join now. And as you can see, they're using the impact.com platform to handle the affiliate program. So let's see, sign up, and here when you click sign up, you see the basic contract terms for Base44. So read these terms, the payout details, the schedule. Read these terms very carefully. Here you also will see this PDF, so read it, click confirm and click continue. Now when you go to this page, you just need to create an account and apply. It's so basic. And now in conclusion, let's see if it's worth it. So first, let's see the pros here. So it's amazing that their affiliate program pays $100 per referred paid user, which is pretty generous. This is also amazing. Here, 30-day tracking cookie. This gives you a decent window to convert. And also unlimited referrals plus monthly payouts. This is amazing. And also now let's see the cons, something that you need to think about when you promote this platform. So first, trust issues. So Base44 has very low Trustpilot score, only 1.5 out of 5, with many users complaining about bugs, unstable AI and credit usage. So these are comments from people on the internet. Poor customer support. They also say reported delays, generic responses and lack of helpful escalations. Also, these users are saying about the app ownership concerns. So users on the internet say you don't get full control of your projects. So it remains tied to Base44 platform. This here probably is not true because they let you export your code and you can modify it. Okay guys, now in case you want to promote Base44, I think this platform is amazing. So it's definitely worth it. I hope you find this video useful guys, and take care.